Hello. Welcome to Lab Monk official YouTube channel. Is nutritionist a good career? Will nutritionist be in demand? How much does a nutritionist earn in India and abroad? What is the difference between dietitian and nutritionist? We see the lifestyle of people is changing nowadays. In addition, the education is now focusing more on domains of preventive healthcare, nutrition, and fitness rather than just finishing and priming programs. Because of this, the demand for a nutritionist is also rising. Let's find out the answers of all the questions in mind regarding career as nutritionist. Please subscribe this channel now before proceeding to watch this informative video and forget to do so. Nutrition is a science that explores the metabolic and physiological reactions of the body to all food and diet. It is also the study of the role of nutrients in the cause, treatment, and prevention of diseases. In simple terms, the professionals in this field do more than just pushing for healthy foods, fruits and vegetables. They have a better understanding of the association between diet, health, and disease, which allows them to teach and counsel people on the selection of healthy food, food preparation, and good eating habits. A nutritionist knows how to use food and nutrition for promoting health and manage illness. They are the specialists who advise people about what to eat for leading a healthy lifestyle. A nutritionist promotes good health with the help of good eating habits. For that, they make diet charts, emphasize exercises, choose good food items, and discuss matters like building metabolism and other such issues. Nutritionists can change the way a person thinks about food and nutrition and enhance the quality of life of people. Being a nutritionist will be one of the emerging sectors in India. More and more people are becoming more cautious about their health. Everybody wishes to have a healthy and fit life. This desire to retain a healthy body takes the new generation to follow appropriate and nutritious diet plans. This, in turn, is giving rise to the high demand for a nutritionist in India. Not only in India, but a nutritionist also has to get the scope to work abroad. There is enormous demand for nutritionists among food lovers in Italy, England, and Germany. Several global bodies are looking for a renowned nutritionist to combat the growing obesity among their citizens. Many international companies are also providing internships to aspirants. Then food and agriculture companies also look for nutritionists for the research-based project, which is an excellent opportunity for success in the future. Dietitian versus nutritionist. What is the difference? Dietitian and nutritionists both indeed assist people in finding the proper diets and foods to meet their health requirements, but they differ in their qualifications and job roles. To define a dietitian, we can say they are a certified health professionals who will help in promoting better health through suitable and good nutritional habits and practices. But for nutritionists, we can define as a professional or an individual who works in nutrition science or food science. In layman's terms, we can define a nutritionist as someone who works with a precise aim in mind, preventing diseases and other lifestyle illnesses associated with nutrient deficiencies. How to become a nutritionist? If you want to be a nutritionist, it's better to select a science stream in class. There are various courses provided in this field of nutrition, and students must upgrade themselves from time to time. For BSc in Food Science and Home Science and Nutrition, candidates must pass the class examination with science stream from a good university. For attaining MSc in Food and Nutrition with a specialism in therapeutic nutrition, candidates need to have a bachelor's degree in science stream from any recognized university. One of the other options is a postgraduate diploma in dietetics and public health nutrition. Here are some of the top colleges offering courses to become expert nutritionists. Job roles of a nutritionist. There are several job profiles in this field depending on the interest and capability. Some of the primary job profiles are food service nutritionists, clinical nutritionists, sports nutritionists, public health nutritionist, consultant nutritionists, and pediatric nutritionist. Job opportunities for nutritionists. Nutritionists get several job opportunities for advancing their careers. There is a vast scope for a potential nutritionist. Nutritionists can get lucrative placements with high salaries in the corporate sector as well. Some of the organizations where nutritionists can get offers are hospitals, research and advocacy, private clinics, nursing homes, wellness centers, fitness clubs, multinational corporations, and wellness centers. How much does a nutritionist earn in India and abroad? A nutritionist's salary varies based on their knowledge, experience, as well as skills. It enhances or decreases based on the growth of knowledge and time. A nutritionist's starting approximate salary in India is 1,38,000 rupees per year, which increases with increasing experience. For a pediatric nutritionist, the average starting salary per annum is 4,85,797 rupees. Similarly, abroad, the median wage for nutritionists is $63,090. Will nutritionists be in demand? Yes, nutritionists are already in demand, and it is projected to increase 8% in the coming 10 years, which is faster than the average of all other occupations. As per CDC, 1/3 of US adults are obese, and many diseases are associated with obesity. Nutrition is essential for the prevention and treatment of illness. More nutritionists and dietitians will be required to offer care to all those people. Is nutritionist a promising career? At present, the opportunities in the field of nutrition are boundless both in India and abroad. The changing lifestyle and dietary habits are leading to high demand for diet and health experts. If you want to explore all new job options in food science, being a nutritionist is undoubtedly a promising career. If you want to explore all new job options in food science, being a nutritionist is undoubtedly a promising career. Do you like such videos? Please comment. If you have any questions, please comment below. If you are new to this channel, subscribe it and hit the bell icon. More bioscience career related videos will be uploaded regularly. Please like this video and share to your friends. Thank you for watching, liking this video and spreading on your social media handles.